Hello and welcome to CBSplit. My name is Stephen McKenzie, and I'd like to give you a quick run through on some of the initial screens that you will see when you sign up for CBSplit. After you've subscribed and set your initial domain name, you'll get redirected to a screen that looks much like this, where you'll see your site and some personal information that you can administer here, like your profile information, your password. You can view your invoices, your payment profiles. You can become a member of our affiliate program. You can manage additional users for your account, whether they be technical or financial users, and of course log out. So clicking on your domain name will take you to the screen where you can manage some of the settings for the site that you've created in CBSplit. So on this initial screen here, you can see that we're running a Docker virtual computer that has 8 cores, 8 gigs of memory, 20 gigs of space, and 50 gigs allocated bandwidth. And as you consume your bandwidth, you can see your bandwidth and space consumption in these graphs below. The setup tab here allows you to change the host name or the domain name of the site that you're running on CBSplit. You can also, if you decide, to prefix your domain name with www. Of course, that would not be applicable in this case, as it already is a subdomain of cbsplit.com. But had it been just cbsplit.com, if we chose to have the www included, when people access our site, we could turn it on with this toggle. SSL certificates are managed here. After you point your DNS to CBSplit and your site becomes live on our platform, you would generate, this is basically a critical step. As soon as you point your DNS to CBSplit, you would log in here and generate an SSL certificate. And I recommend that you force your domain name to secure only. This is your DNS Manager. If you wanted to add DNS zones for a mail server or a subdomain, or some text records for validating your site, or your third-party mailing software wants you to set an SPF record, you would do all that here. You just click the plus button and then choose the type of record that you're adding and then put in the details. If you need help with this, you can get a hold of me and I can help you do it. Add-ons. These are some of the additional features that you can choose to add on to or use within the context of running the CBSplit platform. Most of them are third-party connectors to other companies like Infusionsoft, Maropost, Connective, UltraCart, Sticky, ClickFunnels, etc. But there's also some other things like backups, API access, relays, etc. So if you need more information about these, you can click on the details to read about what they do, or you can get a hold of me directly and we can discuss it. Payments would just show any invoices that you have towards this site that have recurred. And yeah, that's about it. So we can go ahead and jump to the admin of this demo site. And this is the admin dashboard. So when you log in to your website, the first thing that you'll see is a dashboard of reports that will give you a snapshot of what your site is doing in the last month. Now, you can filter this in a bunch of different ways. If we had multiple checkouts being used, like UltraCart and ClickBank, we could choose to only show the sales that came from ClickBank or only show the sales that came from UltraCart. We can filter for mobile or desktop. We can filter by country. We can filter by medium, the referrer, an affiliate, a tracking code, a UTM, and we can also custom set date ranges. Some preset ones, or you can just make your own. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to conclude this video at this step here and produce another video for beginning to import your site and pages into CBSplit. So that'll be video number 2, and I will start it in a few minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out and we'll help you in any way that we can.